What's going on, guys and girls? This is Thomas and Poor Man Racing. Today we're going to do brakes on the 64 Savoy. We're going to see how this goes. Hopefully we get it done quick. Doing the back brakes, the drums. I hate drum brakes. Alright, let's check that intro. For those wondering, this is the rear brake on a Mopar. This is the front shoe for it. More metal exposed goes to the front of the drum. This is going to be your back brake pad for the drum. Alright, the brake shoes are on. This side is done. We did not put a parking brake linkage in it, or the bracket that goes right in here. We didn't do that. Doesn't need parking brake or emergency brake, whatever you want to call it. Putting this back on now. Going to start on the other side. Just sent my father-in-law for more of the wheel cylinder linkages, which are right here. These silver pieces, they don't come with a cylinder. It's ridiculous, but we'll get it done. Let's see when we get to the other side. Alright folks, trying to do this two-handed and up against the wall, but so far that's what we got. The adjuster's on, the retaining springs are in. We're waiting on the slide links, or wheel cylinder links. So we'll lock that up there, and then we're going to put all the springs on. We'll be done with this sucker. And then next thing we got is running brake lines, which is going to be no fun. Alright, we got everything done. We put the wheel back on. It actually started raining its ass off when we were waiting on parts, and pretty much most of the floor is soaking wet. Y'all will see. If you look at this, it just rushed in while we were trying to finish up the other side. We just got parts. Come on, where are you at? It's just soaking wet. Like you hear it as I walk. See the puddle of water? With that being said, we're done with the back brakes for right now. Still got to run lines. Still got to get a few other things done. But hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Alright, see y'all later.